modern factory awakens, bathed in morning light, a beacon of high-tech efficiency and nature's harmony.
Vast bamboo groves sway, sunlight filtering through leaves, creating dappled patterns.
Skilled harvesters carefully select mature bamboo shoots, their precise movements highlighting traditional agricultural expertise.
Bundles of bamboo are carefully unloaded onto a sterile conveyor, a seamless, hygienic transition from nature to industry. Autonomous forklifts glide through pristine storage, meticulously organizing raw bamboo shoots, ensuring ultimate freshness.
A gloved hand meticulously inspects a freshly harvested bamboo shoot, water droplets glistening, emphasizing natural quality.
A technician reviews bamboo quality on a tablet, blending human expertise with advanced sorting technology.
Automated washing machines vigorously clean bamboo shoots, powerful jets ensuring thorough hygiene and freshness. Freshly cleaned bamboo shoots glide on a conveyor, monitored by workers, showcasing an orderly, purposeful pre-sorting area. Giant boiling vats billow steam, dramatically transforming bamboo shoots through intense heat and pressure.
Boiled bamboo shoots are mechanically lifted from vats, showcasing smooth, automated efficiency after intense processing.
Boiled bamboo shoots glide under cool water rinses, cascading water washing away odors, preparing them for the next stage.
A single bamboo shoot enters an automated cutting machine, blades glinting, beginning precise, efficient slicing.
Multiple automated cutting machines work in unison, producing perfectly uniform bamboo slices with synchronized precision.
Parameters optimized. We have ultimate consistency at 200 units per minute.
Perfectly cut bamboo slices convey into a shaping machine, forming uniform pieces ready for rich flavoring. Perfectly shaped bamboo pieces emerge, uniform and consistent, a testament to the machine's precision capability.
Industrial blenders stand ready, vibrant garlic, chilies, and spices poised to unleash an explosion of flavor. A macro shot reveals intricate chili flakes and minced garlic, their palpable aroma promising authentic, fresh flavor. A precise robotic arm dispenses garlic and chili paste, showcasing automated, hygienic, modern food production. Shaped bamboo pieces enter a rotating drum mixer, seasonings added, developing rich, anticipated aromas. Bamboo pieces tumble in the mixer, uniformly coated in vibrant red-orange seasoning, a critical step for perfect taste.
Food technologists observe from a sterile gallery, ensuring every seasoned bamboo piece meets quality standards.
Freshly sealed pouches track towards automated weighing, digital readouts confirming precise weight, ensuring product consistency.
A lab technician performs spectral analysis, confirming ingredient ratios with glowing scientific data, ensuring perfect balance.
Automated robotic arms fluidly stack packaged products into cartons, seamlessly integrating technology and logistics.
A perfectly sealed carton is revealed, widening to vast rows of products in an immaculate, temperature-controlled warehouse.
Every stage meticulously managed, ensuring unparalleled quality.
Cleanroom technicians meticulously handle seasoned bamboo, air purification systems humming, emphasizing extreme hygiene for packaging.
A trolley laden with premium packaging tracks through a corridor, hinting at the final product's luxury presentation.
An embossed logo is revealed, widening to a row of elegantly packaged products, showcasing meticulous branding craftsmanship. An electric delivery truck departs the factory, branded for efficient, sustainable distribution, bathed in warm sunset hues.
The factory's elegant signage is revealed. Then the entire facility under twilight, a beacon of innovation and quality.
Bamboo shoots undergo preliminary wash in agitated tanks, water swirling vigorously yet gently, removing surface dirt.
Bamboo shoots track through a high-pressure rinsing tunnel, powerful jets ensuring intense cleaning and food safety.
An optical sorter scans bamboo shoots with a laser, diverting imperfect pieces, blending technology and precision flawlessly. A rejected bamboo piece, showing a bruise, is diverted for alternative use, highlighting efficiency and waste reduction. Automated peelers swiftly remove bamboo outer layers, revealing tender cores, a precise process maximizing edible yield.
Peeled bamboo shoots, gleaming white and uniform, move along a conveyor, perfectly prepared for boiling.
A worker meticulously inspects peeled bamboo shoots, gloved hands ensuring only the best proceed to boiling.
A digital thermometer stabilizes in a boiling vat, displaying the exact temperature, emphasizing scientific control and drama.
A large screen timer counts down the precise boiling duration, reinforcing meticulous timing for optimal texture.
Fragrant steam rises from a cooling conveyor, revealing tender, boiled bamboo shoots, ready for cutting, their aroma perceptible.
A worker conducts sensory evaluation, gently squeezing boiled bamboo for tenderness, highlighting human expertise.
Boiled bamboo shoots transfer from cooling rack to cutting machines, showcasing continuous flow and synchronized volume. Uniform bamboo slices track into a specialized dryer, warm air circulating, developing optimal crunchiness and texture.
A perfectly dried bamboo slice, slightly textured, is ready to absorb flavors, crucial for its signature crunch.
A technician monitors a digital moisture meter, ensuring optimal dryness for product longevity and signature crunch.
Raw spices, garlic, chilies, and herbs are loaded into an empty seasoning hopper, ready for intense grinding.
Powerful industrial grinders pulverize garlic and chilies into fine pastes, emphasizing raw power and aromatic transformation.
Liquid seasonings are precisely measured and poured into a mixing tank, combining oils, vinegars, and secret sauces.
Rich, vibrant chili garlic paste pumps into the mixing drum, its thick, inviting texture promising intense flavor.
A technician monitors a 3D mixing simulation, color-coded particles illustrating perfect, even seasoning distribution.
A single seasoned bamboo piece tumbles in the mixer, revealing a drum full of uniformly coated, vibrantly colored pieces. Seasoned bamboo pieces move along a vibratory conveyor, gently spreading for even drying, rich with developing aroma.
Seasoned bamboo pieces track into a multi-stage drying oven, controlled heat ensuring optimal texture and flavor development.
A perfectly dried, seasoned bamboo piece emerges, glossy and crunchy, culmination of flavoring and drying, ready for packaging.
A technician monitors precise humidity and temperature readings in the drying oven, ensuring consistent quality and texture.
A barcode prints on a pouch, revealing a high-speed packaging line filling, sealing, and labeling with remarkable efficiency. An automated weight checker swiftly diverts under overweight pouches, emphasizing rigorous packaging quality control.
Multiple robotic arms precisely place sealed pouches into retail boxes, showcasing synchronized, efficient assembly.
A pallet of retail boxes tracks into climate-controlled storage, each box aligned, ready for meticulous distribution. A retail display box, vibrant branding and glossy finish, showcases premium appeal, the final product in its retail form.
Finally, I've found them. These are simply the best.
The crunch and spice elevate any gourmet creation.
Everyone loves these crunchy bamboo shoots.
Sounds nice.
You have to try these. They're incredibly addictive.
Seriously, this is a game changer for quick, delicious meals.
A stylized infographic on a tablet showcases bamboo shoots' health benefits and natural ingredients, emphasizing transparency and quality.
A factory worker meticulously cleans a stainless steel mixing vat, emphasizing rigorous hygiene standards and dedication.
Zero contaminants detected. Safety is our top priority.
A certification plaque proudly displays food safety and quality certifications, reinforcing global standards, trust, and credibility.
We take immense pride in every single package.
An automated robotic arm gracefully performs a final aesthetic check on a luxury package, scanning for imperfections.
An overhead shot of a meticulously organized shipping area, pallets lined up for global dispatch, showcasing vast reach.
A container loads onto a cargo ship at a busy port. Cranes majestically symbol.
This new system will revolutionize our processing speed.
A 3D printer meticulously crafts a prototype component, intricate layers visible, highlighting precision engineering and continuous improvement.
Our commitment to environmental stewardship is unwavering.
CSIM. An overhead shot reveals a thriving organic rooftop garden using recycled fertilizer.
These fresh chilies and galls are for our next experimental batch. This new blend has incredible potential. It's truly unique.
An overhead shot of a vibrant spice rack filled with exotic ingredients from around the world. Each jar is a testament to our dedication to craft.
This special edition looks absolutely exquisite.
A drone takes off from the factory rooftop, carrying a special package, cityscape below, symbolizing rapid, high-tech delivery.
Wow, delivered right to my balcony. Incredible service.
Perfectly unboxed bamboo shoots, elegant packaging, product fresh and inviting, building anticipation for delicious taste.
A slow push-in on a beautifully prepared gourmet meal. Bamboo shoots a key ingredient, emphasizing culinary excellence.
Absolutely divine. The perfect balance of crunch and spice.
A vibrant, healthy salad bowl with bamboo shoots adding crunchy spice emphasizes the product's role in a balanced, refreshing diet.
Perfect for a quick, flavorful, and healthy energy boost.
A massive, glowing corporate logo on the factory exterior at night, rain glistening, symbolizes strength and presence. This expansion will solidify our market leadership. A slow push-in on the company's mission statement, highlighting quality, sustainability, and innovation, reinforcing core values.
A framed patent certificate proudly displayed, emphasizing the company's intellectual property and pioneering spirit.